Hello everyone. So in this video we will see about the lengthen command. So for that I will type here lengthen. Shortcut key for lengthen is LEN. Just type LEN and you can see on the top here lengthen command comes. Just press enter. Now you have total four options: see delta, percentage, total, and dynamic. Currently is by default selected as delta. So let me select the delta again. And now with the help of delta, you can increase or decrease the length as whatever value you will just enter here. Currently, let me just enter value of 900 mm. 900, enter. Now if you select the object from this side, the length of the object will be decreased by 900 mm. If you select the length this line from this side, then the length of the line increase by 900 from this side. So let me select the length of line from this side. Just so you can see, if you again select here, then again it will increase by 900 mm, right? So in this way you can just increase or decrease. So let me make it undo. Now let me type again lengthen command. Let me take the delta, and now this time I will take minus 900 mm. Just press enter. Now if you select from any side, then it will decrease the length of the line by 900 mm, right? See, now let me again exit from the command, make it undo. Again let me take lengthen command, and now this time we will see about the percentage. See here the percentage. Just click here. Now if you just put value here, see near the cross arrow, it is asking you enter percentage length. Now now if you put currently the length of the length of the basically this line is, we will take it as a 100 percentage. Now if you put 30%, 40%, then the length of the this line will decrease. Let me show you. Just if I put 30%, press enter, and see the total length is the 30%. The total of the 30% length is here showing, right? And see if you select this one. So yes, see, now let me show you another option with, if you select percentage, and now if you put 150%, and if you select this line, so you can see the length of line is increased. Total length of line is now 150% of the original length. That's how you can use basically this percentage option. Now let me show you total. So currently you can see the length of this is 2639.24. Now if I wanted to make it as 4 meters, so you just need to select this length, and total length will become 4 meter, right? See, now total length, if you check, this will be 4 meter. If you just need, if you wanted to less length, you can just put less value, and the length of this object basically will decrease, right? Now let me show you the last one. What basically the dynamic. If you select the dynamic, just you need to select the object. See, now you can just dynamically you can just with the help of your mouse, you can just increase or decrease the length of your object basically.